Hi guys, it's me, Giselle. I wanted to do this recording for you, the athlete. You guys came to me for more natural options in regards to supporting your recovery, just your training support, anything dealing with your training. I think I shared with you some products that would really help you, and you started off with a kit and even got the membership. But I feel like I didn't do a good job of really sharing with you all the other products that could really benefit you that did not come in your kit. So I wanted to do this recording instead of doing a class and have you guys come. You guys can watch this at your own convenience. So let's get started. I'm going to try to keep this under 10 minutes. So you guys pretty much came to me because you are open to the idea of a natural solutions to really soothe your muscles and joints, decrease recovery time, performance boost, increase mental clarity, more restful sleep, boost immune, eliminate any smelly training gear. The agenda today is really just to quickly go over just 3 things. Favorite products by Holland and pro athletes. And when I mean pro athletes, they're 2 NFL players, and then 1 is an Olympian. Also, what products could really support your training, and then getting the most out of your membership. Okay, so let's get started. Favorite products by athletes: Breathe Oil. If you don't have, I think everyone has this. It comes pretty much in all of the kits. But with Breathe Oil, this is your respiratory oil. This is the oil that you want to smell when you have nasal congestion, asthma, you have a difficult time breathing. It really, really helps clear your nasal passage. It's really good for you when you're about to go for a run, especially during like the asthma season, allergy season. Sorry. Deep Blue Oil. This is Holland's favorite and pretty much a favorite to all the athletes. This one is the one that really helps with sore body. Anything with soreness, this is the oil you want to use. If you have the oil, you want to make sure you use a carrier oil, any kind. The coconut oil from doTERRA works as well. You can also use the lotion-based one, which is the Deep Blue Rub. So this one gets you that cooling and warming feeling. On Guard. So On Guard is an immune booster. So this one you want to take with a veggie capsule. You take it internally. You could also put it in the bottom of your feet, but I think the best way to take it is internally. This is whenever you feel like you're feeling under the weather, or you feel like you're catching something, or you caught something. This is the fastest and most effective way to boost your immune. Put in a veggie capsule. doTERRA has like empty veggie capsules for like $4 for I think 60 or 85 capsules. You just put the On Guard in there. If you have oregano, that's like the best combo, On Guard and oregano, and then you just take it as a supplement. Lavender is a good one for calming. After training, you just want to get a restful sleep, or you want to calm down. Diffuse this, smell this. You can also drink this in tea if you like. Melaleuca, this is your antibacterial. So anything it relates to bacteria. If you ever get ringworm, hopefully you guys never do, athlete's foot, you want to make sure you use the Melaleuca. So that is really going to actually, it's an antibacterial. It's going to take it away, and it's been tested. It works. If you want to minimize an infection and an open wound, so if you ever get an open wound, maybe on the mat or a cut or anything like that, clean the open wound and then put Melaleuca. That's going to really minimize the infection. Okay, so peppermint, this one is if you are feeling kind of like you need a second wind or you need an uplift, you want to get like alert, focus, you want to take peppermint. You want to smell it, diffuse it, or you could actually put like 1 drop in your water. There's actually been a study with this oil, and it actually has proven to increase your performance. So it's a performance booster. I can share with you the study if you guys are interested, but this is an amazing oil for that. They said that the athletes that they actually tested it on, they ran faster and they jumped higher. And then there was like 1 more. So it's a pretty cool oil to try before you train. Frankincense, this one is the oil you want to use if you have any kind of swelling or inflammation. Holland loves to actually pair this with Deep Blue, and anytime he gets any swelling in his like ankles, his knees, or just anywhere in his body, this is like his favorite combo, frankincense and Deep Blue. Lemongrass is anytime you have any joint, tendon, ligament pains, this is the oil that will relieve that pain. Again, you can also mix this together with Deep Blue. And then marjoram. Marjoram is a joint, it relaxes the muscles. So it really has, like, so if you have any muscle cramps or sprains, you want the muscle to relax, use this. It also has like some pain killing properties, so, which is pretty cool. And then the last one that's really popular is the Lifelong Vitality. These are supplements. So if you're not on the supplements yet, I would highly recommend getting this one. This one is a 3-bottle supplement. Actually, I think I'll show it to you what it looks like later. So the first one is just your multivitamin. It's a whole food multivitamin and nutrients. It's in a whole food form. So anytime we're missing any kind of nutrients or vitamins on a daily basis, this is going to pretty much bridge that gap. We are all nutrition deficient in some way, even if you're the healthiest eater, just because of the current harvesting and farming practices we have now. It's really good to always take supplements. The second bottle is like a cellular vitality complex. So this one really supports cellular energy and is very naturally cleansing. So it's really focusing on the cells. We're all comprised of cells. So this is an amazing supplement to take for your cells. It really supports the function of your cell. It also helps with inflammation. It's an antioxidant and it helps your metabolism. And then the last one is like an E omega. This is like your omegas. The fish omegas. If you're vegan, there's a vegan option as well, but this one is also an antioxidant. It protects the overall cell of the body, and it really supports like cell growth, brain development with the omegas, and then muscle activity, immune function, and joint health. So what's really cool about this one is if you take it and in 30 days you don't feel a difference, you can actually return it, and no questions asked. They'll give you your money back. So give it a try. Okay. Let's go to what I wanted to share with you really quick. Some products that hopefully might be easier for you to take a look at. I'm trying to figure out. I think it's this one. Okay. So if you go onto your doTERRA account, there's some kits. So if you don't know about this, I actually just decided to pull it all up so you guys know these kits are available. You can always come to me if you can't find it. But there's one that's called the Athlete's Kit. This one is smaller bottles. It has a travel case. It has the deep blue rub. So if you're looking for a deep blue rub, this is the kit that you would like. And you want to take it everywhere with you. So this one comes with the Breathe Oil, the On Guard, Lavender, Melaleuca, Peppermint, and Deep Blue, and then like a carrying case. Okay, so this is called the Athlete's Kit if you're interested of getting a travel size so you can take it anywhere with you. Another one is called the Athlete's Kit. This one is, it's another Athlete's Kit. This one is if you're only on Loyalty Rewards program. So this one is really cool because it comes with the Deep Blue, it comes with the lemongrass. Aroma Touch is a massage oil. So this one really also helps circulate the blood flow. So that's a really good one. Peppermint, you can take it easily. It's kind of like a mint. Sanitizing mist, obviously, you guys probably get dirty. You want to wipe your hands. Comes with their Correct X. That one is kind of like a Neosporin, but an all-natural version. I like to use it when I have cracked lips. And then Max is an energy and stamina supplement. So if you feel like coffee is not working for you and you want a natural option, try the Max. So this one is also an Athlete's Kit, but this will be under Loyalty Rewards program kits. And then the last kit it's called the Relief and Revive Kit. So this one comes with the Deep Blue tube, the rub, and then it comes with a Deep Blue polyphenol complex. So this one is, if you're really, really sore, we use a lot of like topical application. If you really want to target your internal, you want to take the Deep Blue, this one, okay? And so it comes in this kit. And then it also comes with Copaiba. I love Copaiba. It's actually sourced in Brazil. They have it, it doesn't have CBD or THC, but it has the same properties. So it actually is very, very calming, very, very good for your systems. Comes with Aroma Touch and then Wintergreen. Okay. If you have smelly training gear and you want to get rid of it, in your laundry, with your laundry detergent, put Purify. Like, say if you have super smelly gear, I would say like 4 or 5 drops. Like that's That's a good one. If you're not so smelly, you just want it to smell good, maybe like 2 to 3 drops. And it's every time you're washing your training gear. Put this with laundry detergent. This does not replace the laundry detergent. The Lifelong Vitality Pack, this is the one I was telling you guys about, the supplements. It looks like this. So there's a 30-day supply. If you try it, it doesn't work out, you can return it and they will refund you. It took, we tried it. It took me 2 weeks for me to feel the difference. It really helped with me physically, like just like my body aches, not from training because I've been training a lot, but just being a mom, moving around. And then my mind clarity, I felt like was more on point, and then just like less stressed out. I was managing my stress a little bit better. So try it, give it a try if you feel that something might be beneficial for you. And then I wanted to show you the 3 athletes that I was telling you guys about that I follow on Instagram, and I really watch what they're doing in terms of their natural care and their recovery and like their training support. So Brandon Cook, he was from the Patriots last year. He won the Super Bowl, but this year he's with LA Rams. So he's actually a doTERRA performance advocate. Tim Hightower is another NFL player. He was last with the SF Niners. So he also uses doTERRA oils. And then this is the Olympian. He is, I don't even know how to say his name, it's like Akwasi. He's super nice. He sent me, he's like, what is it called? He's uploaded into my stories. Like I'll post about him and then he'll like re-upload it. It was really, really nice because, you don't know. They don't know you, they're not going to do that, but super cool. So I like to follow him as well. He has some good tips on what he uses for his training as well. And then the last one, if you guys don't know this, it actually ends in 2 days. Today's Monday, so I'll end on Wednesday. If you don't know, if you are the type who drives a lot and you need a car diffuser, get one for free by the end of Wednesday. By Wednesday, you get a free car diffuser and 3 citrus oils, perfect for uplifting your mood. It also has other benefits. This is completely free with any 200 PV order on your LRP, Loyalty Rewards Program. So if you're a driver and you want, maybe if you ever get nauseous or you get stressed out, you get road rage and all that, and you need to calm down using aromatherapy, get this one. This is all for free, and it's only until Wednesday. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you is what is this Loyalty Rewards Program that I keep talking about, and maybe I've mentioned it to you before. There's a 2-minute video. I'm just going to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys find it helpful.
If you have already experienced doTERRA essential oils and products, you will be wondering how you can get your hands on some. Let's look at the best ways to get the most product for the lowest price. The best way to get essential oils is by signing up as a wellness advocate yourself. You sign up as a wellness advocate. After paying a small initial fee, you'll be able to purchase your oils at wholesale prices. That's 25% below retail. You will also be able to participate in the Loyalty Rewards Program. This will reoccur a monthly order that you can customize so that you never run out of the essential oils that you love. With LRP orders, not only do you receive wholesale pricing, you also receive an additional 10 to 30% of total free product points. What are product points? These points can be cashed in for more doTERRA products. In other words, if you sign up for the Loyalty Rewards Program, you're signing up to receive more products for free. These points accumulate from each LRP order you place. The percentage that you earn is based on the type of fee you sign up as a wellness advocate. It will grow every quarter until you reach a maximum of 30%. And when you place your order online, you earn 100% of your shipping costs back as points. Now, if you still want to qualify for more free product, you can participate in our Product of the Month Club. Each product has been assigned a value of personal volume. Your PV reaches 125, you will simply select the product of the month. The higher the PV of each order, the more chances you will have to qualify for product of the month and any other promotions that doTERRA offers throughout the year. So, what's the best way to get more doTERRA essential oils? First, sign up to be a wellness advocate so that you can purchase at wholesale prices. Then create a Loyalty Rewards order and receive up to 30% of your order back as product points. Don't forget to order online so that you can receive 100% of your shipping costs back as more points. And finally, make sure that your order totals at least 125 points so that you can be a part of the Product of the
Okay, so I just wanted to share that really quick with you guys. So this month, it is a 200 PV order. And when they say Wellness Advocate, you guys are all wholesale customers, so you guys qualify for it as well. And then this month, if you were to have participated in the product of the month, it was actually a full-size lemon oil. So every month is different. I don't know what it is next month, but that's this month. Okay, and then last I wanted to share my screen. This one. Thank you for choosing me for your training, support, and recovery needs using essential oils. I really appreciate you guys trusting me and really just choosing me to try natural solutions. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here. Holland's here too, so he uses all my stuff. You might not know the words or like what product I'm using on him, but he uses it, so you can always ask him as well, his favorites. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye.